Guys, Poverty Point Customs here. This is my 2003 Bombardier Quest 650. We have a little addition to it today. I've installed a new back seat, which will give me some added storage, and if I need to take a passenger on it, it will give them a place to sit. Brand is a Quadrex. Again, there's many different types of back seats for the ATVs. And this is a nice option because it has heated grips, which is really nice for a passenger, as well as it has the hand covers here. So when you're going, your passenger's hands won't be freezing cold. And that's where you control the hand warmers. You have a high and low. I don't have those wired up yet, but I'll look at doing that down the road. So these are nice because they give a ton of added storage. These are some of the wires for your heated hand grips. Back, this is meant for a 1 gallon jug of gas, even though they say it's not for that. As you can see on the warning, that's what most people put in this storage area. Again, it gives a nice little extra spot for storage. This is the other side. Again, there's your controls on the inside for your heated hand grips. These are what locks your tops down. And it also has a third brake light, which I'll end up wiring down the road. The main reasons why I'm doing this video is how to actually install and mount a rear back seat. It's very simple. As you can see here and here, what there is U-bolts that mount to your racks underneath and go up through. You have a piece of metal here, and then it's just a nut. And this holds it super secure. So we have 2 on each side. As you can see, there's lots of extra holes. This was bought used, so this would have been mounting holes from the last owner. So I had to drill 2 holes here, 2 holes here. Same on the other side. And this is the other side. Again, had to drill 2 holes here and here. And right underneath of this is my round tubing for the rear rack. And again, it's just a U-bolt that goes up around the rack through the holes, and it's held in with the metal here and 2 nuts. So again, these are very universal, so they'll fit on hundreds of other ATVs. And this is underneath the rear seat. As you can see, I have the U-bolt going around the rear rack. So this is the back, and then I have one up on the front. And I had some rubber tubing. What I did is I cut it in half and put this around, so the back seat's actually sitting on the rubber tubing, so you have a little bit of a buffer between the rear rack and the underside of the back seat. So I have 2 here. This is the other side. Again, I have 2 here, and then again your U-bolts. So a lot of people will actually mount these, and then they'll remove them when they sell their ATV and put them on their new ATV. And this is just showing the space underneath of it. So I could have brought this back a little bit further if I wanted to, but I actually wanted this right up against the rear bumper. That way it gives a little support. So again, you have a nice cushion for your passenger for under their bum, and as well for their back. Even for the driver, you have your little back support here too. If you're by yourself and you want to put your back up against there, it gives a little support. Anyways, folks, this was just a short video on how to install a back seat on my Bombardier ATV. Again, it's the same typical installation for pretty much any other ATVs. The rack layout just may be a little bit different, but hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, hopefully we'll get some wheel-in videos out of this. And we'll go from there. I would say the plowing season is slowly coming to an end, which I can say I'm happy and not happy because I do enjoy plowing. But again, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.